Something's been bothering me. Why is it that Jamaicans are the most creative people in the world, but we are unable to make big money from this bountiful creativity?
The Whalers lost their right to their name, image, and likeness in 1973 when the group decided to go solo.
We are global influencers on the music scene, but we can't lift most of our musicians out of poverty.
Our nation state doesn't allow us to own what we create.
Despite decades of brilliant output, we have nothing that can be reasonably called a music industry. It makes no sense. ButSeeYa Productions explores this confounding question with master music veteran Maxine Stowe in Why Jamaican Music Nah Make No Real Money. Her controversial opinions will astound you.